Hi everyone, welcome to Key Automation YouTube channel. Today I intend to show you the way to calculate the number of cars in passing a line and in this single region or multi-region. This is the perfect program that I made following the experience from some video before. This program is the perfect and very useful for applying in your learning process. I am doing learning the Pythons and programming by myself. What I'm doing is download the video, learning the YouTube, sharing from the some people video, and then I convert that knowledge to my personal knowledge, and I change the program according to my qualification. Okay, let us start the program, and you can see what is the program is. In this program I will make it more simple, the one line in one region only, for you to easy to identify the programs. When the car passing the single line, and the car will be calculated in the blue green color, and the number of car in the blue regions, it will start calculation as well. And let's start this program. Okay. Okay, I already opened the program right here. I don't want to waste your times, and I will reduce the time of the video. Let's see. At the beginning of the programs, I will explain. We will import a collection time CV2 NumPy supervision and YOLO, the same another program before. And secondly, I use the models medium. Because I want to try medium models, because the some some cars object is high inside their another object, so I want to detect the more detail of the car, because I don't want to lose any car in the region. But when you increase the model's size, the program will run slower and it use more resources from your computers. And in this program, there is two regions. I want to calculate the number of car parts in the single line here, and calculate the number of car in one zone. Actually, you can use any zone you want. You can draw any. You can learn this video, and then you can improve the programs according to your qualification. Now I start again. The explanation for here already is more simple. Object gross, I use 50 pixel. When the object center point is near the single line under 50 pixel, depend on you, you can use 30 pixel, and it will start calculation. And this is the NumPy arrays of the polygon here. There are 5 position, 1 2 3 and 4 and 5 again. This is the NumPy arrays for draw a polygon line inside the frames. And car counting in the regions, and capture open a video and start and end of the single line. This program is the mathematical functions to calculate the distance between one point and a single line. I already explained in another program before, so I don't want to explain more for this. The same video before, why during the frames open, I will draw a polygon line inside the frames. It's polygon lines. Draw polygon apply frames. And if the frames open success and results, I will track each frames, check cars, and then remember track ID, boxes, result, and track IDs, unnoticed frames. Here I need to remove this. I do unnoticed frames. I clear on the bounding box automatic draw inside the videos, and then here I count in car 0 and for loop to detect each frames object bounding box center point, width and height of bounding box, and track IDs. Track will append inside the track tags, and I draw a center points of bounding box objects. Here this is for checking the center points. If the center point in a bounding box, it will if the center point in a bounding box this is equal to 1, and I will draw a circle line in bounding box and draw a rectangle line. A rectangle is mean that bounding box of the object, and put the text in the objects. Like here I put the bounding box center point, and I put the card inside the bounding outside the bounding box. And card calculation is starting count 0 1 and next loop, and check all the object inside the frames. In this section it will start check the distance between a single line and the center point of object to calculate this, the car passing the single line. If the distance is below the across setting 30 pixel, and it start calculation. And after that it will draw a rectangle bounding box and put the text inside the cars. Let's see from here. Yeah, when the car passes in single line, the bounding box will automatically draw, and the number of cars will calculate from here. The line will be drawn inside the frames by this line. Count number of cars passing the single line, and put the text, put the number of cars, and the car countings in the regions it also put inside the frames. And then another thing is simple. Okay, I will put the detail of the program in at the end of the video. I hope you enjoy it and learn the video and enjoy this. I will start the program again for you to see it's running. This is one of the serial video that you can learn from this and make the calculation on not only cars and any other object you want. If the object is not inside the CocoJam CocoJam, like it means that you can use your trained models by yourself and calculate the number of objects inside the region, number of objects passing the single lines. After the video, I will put everything on the resources inside Google Drive, and put a link in under my video. You can download and learn it from this. I hope you enjoyed my video. In this video I don't make the bounding box its car during detection. I only put the center point of the car. You can see the blue color is the center point of bounding box center point here. Only the car in the region is have the dot bounding box, or only car passing the single lines have the bounding box up here. When the car passes in the region, the bounding box will be clear. Okay, goodbye. The video is now complete. Uh, all the resources we will update. Thank you very much. I wish you enjoy my video and subscribe my video for encourage me making more better video. Thank you very much. Goodbye. Goodbye and see you again.